Hey guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Clover free dating application on your mobile device. If you have created an account on Clover free dating application, then you need to ensure that the life of you being single is over. On this free dating application, you can easily get access to quick updates on messages from people you're friends with. You can meet new people, chat with friends, and lot more. However, the requirement includes installing the Clover free dating application on your devices to complete the Clover sign-in. In the last video, I have already showed you how you can download and sign up for Clover dating application. Now, I'll show you how you can sign into it. In order to do that, watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to Clover application on your mobile device and tap on it to open. Once you land onto the Get Started page, go to the bottom and tap onto the login option here. Now, if you have created your Clover account using your existing Facebook or Snapchat account, then you can directly log in by tapping onto it. And if you have created a Clover account using email, then go and tap on Email tab. For email users, you have to type in your password that you have set while creating your Clover account. And if you have forgotten your password, you can go to the Forget option here and tap onto it in order to reset your password. And it will reset password via your email address. So once you make any choices from this, you'll have to enter your details, then once done, go and tap on continue, and then you'll have successfully logged into your Clover account on your mobile device. And if you ever want to log out of this account, then you can just go to the bottom right corner and tap onto the profile icon. It will take you to your profile page, scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see the logout option in the account action section. Once you tap on it, it will show a confirmation pop-up to log out. If you want to log out, you can just tap on to logout option. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.